So student, now we'll discuss about page 19. Okay, so in page 19, Qutub Minar height is given. Qutub Minar height is given. It is 72 meters. It is 72 meters. Okay, Qutub Minar height is given. It is 72 meters. Now about how many meters high is your classroom? So approximately, I assume approximately my classroom height of my classroom, approximately I assume height of my classroom 4 meters. Okay, now 4 meters. Now guess how many rooms one on top of the other will be equal to the Qutub Minars. So if we place one after another of my classroom, then how many rooms will be equal to the height of Qutub Minar? So what we'll have to do? So what we will have to do? We just divide the height of the Qutub Minar. So the number of, so what we write? Number of classroom. How many classroom? We will place one on the top of the other. The number of classrooms. Number of classroom will be, what we will do? We will divide the height of Qutub Minar. Height of Qutub Minar by height of classroom. Okay, because in the picture just below picture, the height of the Qutub Minar is given. So how many rooms we can place on the top of the other? One up, how many rooms we will place on the top of the other, so that it will be the equal height of Qutub Minar. Okay, so what we will do? We will just divide the height of Qutub Minar divided by the height of the classroom. Okay, so it will be 72 by 4. That means it is how much? 72 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4, is 3, 2, 8 ja 4 8 ja 32 it is. So we can place 18 rooms, 18 classrooms, one on the top of the other. Okay, and then it will be an equal height of the Qutub Minar. Okay, next one is we have to make a distance of Kazikode to Thalassery. So Subodh is going to Kazikode, which is 24 kilometers away from Manjani. Sorry, it is 24 kilometers away. So Subodh has started from a particular place. Subodh, just in picture, page 20, you see the picture. Subodh started journey from a particular place, and it's written Subodh is going to Kazikode, which is 24 kilometers away. So this is the place of Subodh. This is the place of Subodh, and suppose it is Kazikode. This place is Kazikode. Okay, this place is Kazikode, and this distance is 24 kilometers. Okay, from this same place, Manjani is going to Thalassery. From this same place, Manjani is going to, where he is going? Thalassery. Okay, suppose this place is Thalassery. Suppose this place is Thalassery. Manjani start from here. Same place where Subodh started. Okay, and this distance is how much? 46 kilometer. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find the distance between Thalassery to Kazhikode. So what we do? We just add the distance of Manjani to Thalassery and Subodh to Kazhikode. So distance will be how much? Distance will be 24 plus 46 kilometer. So 6 plus 4 how much? 46 plus 24. 6 plus 4 10 0 carry 1 is 70 kilometer. Okay, it is 70 kilometer. Next, how far is your home from school? You have to find. Just below one data is given. Momun comes to school from very far. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond with slippers in his hands. He then walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across the 350 meters wide garden field. Then he carefully crosses 40 meters wide road to reach his school. Now what we have to find? How much does Momun walk every day to reach the school? So what we have to do? We have to do add. Okay, we have to just add the every distance. By walking, he cover the distance from home to school. Okay, so you will do it, student, and tomorrow we will check. Okay, tomorrow we will check it. Thank you.